Namaste. क्या हाल चाल है boss? So today the project is let me show. So I have to install what do you call a guard for my headlamp unit. Okay. So Legendary Customs. I'll share you the link. I've ordered from there. So this is a step-by-step kind of a tutorial, right? You need to take these off, right? The number plate you can see. You need to take this off. Now I'll share the next step. This is the setup. This is the guard. अभी तो मैंने पैकिंग नहीं खोला है. So this will come here. All right. This is a transparent. There are two pieces here. One is what do you call yellow in color, and one is transparent. So I'll be installing the transparent. फिर यहाँ पर रेडिएटर कर देंगे. I need to open this screw as well. This whole thing has to come off. All right. Okay. As you can see, ये बाहर आ गया है. All right. First, we need to take this mount out. All right. This one. Okay, guys. So this is the mount which I took out. All right. ये ऐसे mounted है, like this, not like this. It has to be mounted like this. This is the stock part. Now this is the part from the Legendary, the accessories. Okay. So we need to mount it like this. All right. This will come on top of your standard fit, and then the stock bolts. These are the stock bolts. This will again go, and this will get fitted here. All right. So, all right. So if you can see, this is the original mount which I had. Okay, the original OEM mount, and this is the Legendary Customs mount. This will be fitted like this. All right. Yes, okay. And then this will come up like this. Yeah. All right. So let's do it. All right. Up. You have to place the washer in between. All right. And then it goes straight into here. All right. Of screws, right? So isme this one, use this short screws, because if you use the long screw, then it will go and touch the frame, that headlight frame. So you have to use this short screw. Put the washer like this, and then the screw. Okay, something like this. All right. Acha, just for the ease of fitting this, now what I'll do, I'll actually remove these two. तो ये यहाँ पर joint रहेगा. This will remain joint here, and I'll remove these two mounts. Okay. Yes, these are your OEM screws. Okay. Which were fitted into the bike. The bike में से ये वाले screw निकले हैं, तो ये मैं कटोरे में अलग से रख रहा हूँ. These are the screws which came with this accessory, the Legendary Custom accessories. Okay. All right, guys. This is important. मेरी तो वार्ड लगी थी भाई सब. So you can see, you will receive these two windshield. This is the yellow one, and the sticker comes off very easily. All right, with just a little bit of fingernail, this comes off very easily, no problem. This one was not coming off at all. Means you can do whatever. You can see, you can do whatever, it will not come off. I thought they had given me a piece of cardboard. Now when I try to pry it open with a knife, इसको मैंने जब नाइफ से किया मैंने, अब जाके ये उखड़ा है. Now it is coming off. See this. Alright. So either they should change the stickering, or they should actually mention that you need to pry it open with a knife or something. Alright. So now you can see. अरे यार फोकस ही नहीं कर रहा भाई. So this, you will get these screws, not these one. These are only two. This one is only two. These ones you will get a little longer, thinner. Okay. You will get 4 of them, and it is to be placed here. So there is a washer, these black color washer, plastic ones or the rubber ones, whatever. And then there is this bolt, these bolts. ठीक है. So these bolts, right? आपने इसको यहाँ पर वॉशर के साथ पीछे ऐसे करके now you need to fix it. And here is the transparent windscreen. Okay, guys. You see this, right? One second. Okay, this has to be fixed like this. All right. This has to be fixed like this. There is another one, right? अब देखो इसको ऐसे फिक्स करना है. Why? Because this one, right? ये इस वाले बोल्ट पे जाएगा. इस वाले बोल्ट को खोलना है, इसको बीच में लगाना है, फिर ये जाएगा. One second, let me focus. हाँ, ये स्टॉक बोल्ट है फ्रेम दिस प्लास्टिक थिंग का. ये थोड़ा खोल के इसको इस स्टॉक में लगाना है. Alright? The lack of tutorial for this. So the black one, you see, this is the original stock bolt. This won't fit now. So ऐसे जो और एक मिला है, you would have got these two. A little, it's not very long. It's little thicker. Okay, not too long. The four long ones we have put it over here. All right, and then these two. Okay. ये this will be a little shorter and thicker, not thin. थोड़ा सा मोटा होगा ये, ठीक है ना. ये आपको यहाँ पर लगवाना पड़ेगा. स्टॉक बोल्ट विल नॉट गो इन नाउ. ऑलराइट folks, ये कुछ ऐसा सेटअप होगा. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव पुट अ ब्लैक वॉशर. आई हैव रिमूव्ड दैट स्टील वॉशर एंड आई हैव पुट अ ब्लैक वॉशर यहाँ पर भी और यहाँ पर भी. सो now this setup is complete. Okay, just this guard. Now comes the this windscreen. Okay, so ये जो लंबा बोल्ट है, the longer one, I'll show you. This is the longer one. These are the stock screws. Okay, this is the longer and this one, right? This will go here. All right, so let's fix it. Okay, these black ones. Okay, ये यहाँ पर साइड में आएगा. All right, these black ones. All right, मैंने अभी जस्ट हल्का हल्का टाइट किया. So I've just tightened it very lightly. Once I place all the screws, then I will keep on tightening one by one. All right, this bolt ना इसका alignment थोड़ा बिगड़ जाता है. The alignment gets a little skewed. So just pull this frame a little up so that this bolt goes right through. So you can see I was trying for a very long time. It was not going in. Then I realized that the bolt is not aligning correctly. So I had to just pull it up just a little. All right. Now you see, ये stock है. This is the stock part. Okay. There are two nuts here. Okay. Don't lose them. All right. Don't lose these nuts because now this will go right here like this, and then we will tighten it. Right, folks, be very careful. Now again I have to take off this shield, the windscreen, because my shear stability, I have left one of the screw loose. Can you see that? See that one. So this is a lesson, hard way learned. भाई लगाने से पहले एक बार just check everything. बहुत मेहनत के बाद after a lot of struggle, everything is done. This bolt goes in. Now the whole thing is out of all the OEM bolts, these are the washers. I have no idea from where I had opened it, but these are the washers which are left. ठीक है. But now this is what it looks like. See, transparent. Projector headlamps are extremely costly. So when you go on trip and all on highway, especially on highway, when every vehicle is on speed, from the rear tire of your vehicles, right, small stone chips comes flying towards this area, and by any chance if it cracks, then the whole projector unit has to be changed, जो कि बहुत महंगा है, very costly. projector headlamp setup is very costly in any vehicle, even in cars also it's very costly. So take care of this thing. All right, this is done. This is how it looks like. Tools which I have used this. All right, I don't know what it is called, L-shaped screwdrivers maybe. Okay, so different numbers है, almost काफ़ी सारे लगे हैं इसमें से, ये भी काफ़ी सारे लगे हैं. Then I have used this. So basically just to put the bolt I have used these ones. Then to tighten up I have used this because ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा strong है नहीं. These are very strong. So the setup is complete. Bye bye, sayonara.